Hi everyone, I'm Olain Kalamidi. Welcome to Project Finance Modeling Tutorial. Today, I'll guide you to the essential worksheet for a comprehensive financial model. While it might not encompass every detail, I'll focus on the crucial components your financial model should incorporate. Let's begin with the cover page. The foremost element of your financial model should be the cover page. This page briefly summarizes the project that you are working on and its key outputs. As you can see in another model, it outlines essential details such as the project name, the model type, economic and financial model in this instance, and the project metrics meeting investors' criteria. Moving on, we have the guide worksheet. This serves as a manual explaining the formatting, the name range, and other crucial aspects of your model. The input worksheet is where you detail the project time specifics, so we call it timeline. You also need to have your construction profile in the input worksheet as well. That means your construction details. You need your revenue, you need your direct cost details, you need funding mix, you need funding terms as well, in terms of the repayment period. Is it annual? Is it semi-annually? Is it quarterly? Is it monthly? And other macroeconomics indicators. So these are some of those things that you should have in your input worksheet. Next, we have the dashboard, and here the dashboard is a visual representation of the project information, and this include the financial statement, result summaries, and a chart depicting the relationship between CFADs and debt service, revenue versus net profit. You can have other charts depicting other things, and also we have metrics like MPV, IRR, and other relevant metrics. So following that, we have the timing and flag worksheet, and this addresses the critical timing element in your model. And next, we have the construction worksheet, and this calculates the construction costs and their occurrences and how the construction costs are being funded. The next thing you have in our model, or that we should have in our model, is the capex sheet, and this capex sheet helps in determining the capital expenditure as well as the maintenance capex if needed. And in the operation worksheet, what we have here is details regarding operation in terms of the revenue calculation, the direct cost calculation, and working capital calculation. The funding worksheet, which is the next worksheet that we'll be looking at, estimates the equity and debt balances. So it also calculates the principal repayment, the interest repayment, and you also need to have these retained earnings calculation as well, for the equity part. You then move to developing your monthly financial statement, which includes the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow waterfall. It is essential to convert these monthly financial statement to annual financial statement. So we have the annual financial statement here. Finally, the appraisal worksheet calculates the appraisal worksheet here. It calculates the project returns, the equity returns, and the debt returns. So in this worksheet, we have details, or let me say metrics, like PLCR, LSCR, DSCR, MPV, and IRR, and as well as time to money back and all. So these are the major components for a robust project finance model. So in the upcoming sections, I'll guide you through the process of developing each of these elements. Join me in this educational journey.